In the last session, we have learned what is interpolation and extrapolation and how to use the binomial expansion method using the Pascal's triangle. In this session, we shall take a problem number 1. First, only on one missing term. Let's see, in the following table, the values of x represent the degree of freedom. Degree of freedom 2, 3, so on, 7. And the values represent the y values, the chi-square values at 5% LOS, 5% level of significance. In short, we have to find the missing value of the x and y terms given here. Check out, this is missing. So first what is to be done is copy the data as it is. And when you copy the data, mention y0, y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5. y4 is missing. So now the question arises, which equation we have to make use of? We can develop y minus 1 raised to 2, raised to 3, raised to 4, raised to 5, 6, 7, up, so on. Which equation to develop? Very simple. How many known values are given? See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is unknown. So there are 5 known values. So the equation what we are going to make use of should be y minus 1 raised to 5. That has to be mentioned. In the given problem, the known values of y are 5. Hence, we have to consider y minus 1 raised to 5. Now, when you use that y minus 1 raised to 5, it is something like this. We start with y5. First plus, then minus y4. Then plus y3. Then minus y2. Then plus y1. Then minus y0 is equal to 0. These values we have to find out. Now, there are equations, but we cannot remember the equations. One shouldn't do also. One should use the Pascal's triangle. Let's see how to start with that. What we want is 5. So, we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Till here we want. As learned in the last session, when to draw the triangle? For the odd numbers. Odd numbers mean for 1, 3 and 5 will come a triangle. Let's see. First, 1 and 1. Sum will be 2. Next, we start with 2. 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And this one. Total will be 4. Total should go on double. 2, 4, 8 and so on. Next, it comes odd number. For the odd number, we need a triangle. So, draw a triangle for the odd number. Okay. It's 3 first. 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 1, 3 and 1. The total comes to 8. Now, 4. 1, 1 plus 3, 4, 3 plus 3, 6, 3 plus 1 is 4 and 1. The total of this will come to 16. Now the last that we require, y5. Here comes one more triangle. It's an odd number, we have to show the triangles. Let's see now how to proceed. First one, 1 plus 4, 5, 4 plus 6, 10, 6 plus 4, 10, 4 plus 1, 5 and 1. Total say 6, 16, 26 and this 6, 32. This is what we should verify in the examination. It should be double C. Yes. Now these values will put up. Check out. First is 1. So we don't write here y5 as 1. y4, 5. y3, 10. y2, 10. y5. That is y1 is going to be 5 and y0 is 1. This what we take? This is y5, this has y4, this has y3, this is y2, y1 and y0. I have taken the same values there. Now we'll put up the y values that are available and solve it. We get the missing term. Let's see. Let's see. y5 14.07 minus 5 into y4. y4 we don't have. So keep it as 5y4 plus, what is it? 10 into y3. 10 into y3 is 11.07. Then it is minus 10y2. 10y2 is 9.49 plus 5 y1 7.81 minus 1 y0, we'll take it as 5.99 is equal to 0. Once you substitute, now we'll multiply that. See here, 14.07 as it is, minus 5y4 as it is, plus 10 into this, what we get is 110.7, minus 10 into this, what we get is 94.9, plus 5 into 7.81, what we get is 39.05, minus 5.99 is equal to 0. What I have done is I have just multiplied it. Now we'll solve it. Therefore, minus 5y4. First, add all the plus numbers. What plus numbers we have? 14.07, 110.7, 39.05. From that plus numbers, then minus the minus numbers. Don't minus this, huh? Minus this, 94.9 and 5.99. What we get is plus 62.93. What we get is 62.93 is equal to 0. We'll transfer minus 5y4 to the right hand side. So that minus becomes plus now. So what we get here, see, it's going to be 62.93 is equal to 5y4. I have transferred it. So now next, 62.93 divided by 5 is equal to y4. 12.586. That's all. The missing term, what we get is 12.586. The basic concept here, main thing, which equation to use? Which equation to use? How many known values are there? Known values of x. That equation we are going to use. If 4 known values, y minus 1 raised to 4 and so on. This is the basic example what I have taken with one missing term. But at PUC 2 level, what we have is 2 missing term problems. We will start from the next session. Fine. So in this session, we have completed first problem on interpolation by using binomial expansion method. In the next session, we shall take a problem number 2 with 2 missing terms for binomial expansion. Thank you.